Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Matham. In this video, I will show you how to recover your Facebook old ID. Even if you did not remember the password, watch till the end and do not forget like, share and subscribe for more Facebook tips. First of all, you click the side three line option, then click the logout option. Again, click the logout option. Here you can see the log into another account option, so click on it. Then here you can see the forgot password option, so click on it. Then here you can see the search by email instead option, so click on it. After click it, here you enter your Facebook ID name, then click the continue option. Then here you click the your Facebook ID. After click it, here you click the try another way option. After click it, here you show the number or email ID. If phone number is available with you, so click the phone number, or if you available the Gmail ID with you, so click the Gmail ID, or you remember the password, so click the password option, then click the continue option. So if your ID is login automatically, so this is the method. Please like, share and subscribe for more Facebook tips.